Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Introduction to Cross-Border Employment Regulations. Cross-border employment regulations are critical for organizations operating in multiple countries, necessitating a comprehensive understanding of the legal frameworks governing employment across different jurisdictions. These regulations encompass a wide range of issues, including labor laws, tax obligations, Social Security contributions, and immigration requirements. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in significant legal and financial repercussions for businesses and their employees. One of the fundamental aspects of cross-border employment regulations is labor law compliance. Labor laws vary significantly from one country to another, covering aspects such as employment contracts, working hours, minimum wage, employee benefits, and termination procedures. For instance, in the European Union, the Working Time Directive mandates a maximum workweek of 48 hours, including overtime, and ensures that employees are entitled to at least 4 weeks of paid annual leave. In contrast, the United States does not have a federal law setting a maximum workweek, although the Fair Labor Standards Act requires overtime pay for hours worked over 40 in a workweek. Multinational companies must navigate these differences to ensure compliance and avoid potential legal issues. Taxation is another critical aspect of cross-border employment. Employees working in different countries may be subject to various tax regimes, including income tax, Social Security tax, and other payroll-related taxes. For example, the United States has a progressive income tax system, with rates ranging from 10% to 37% based on income levels. In contrast, some countries have a flat tax rate, such as Russia, which imposes a flat income tax rate of 13%. Additionally, Social Security contributions vary widely, with some countries requiring both employers and employees to contribute to Social Security funds, while others have different systems in place. Companies must carefully manage these tax obligations to avoid double taxation and ensure compliance with local tax laws. Immigration regulations are also a crucial consideration for cross-border employment. Employees working in a foreign country typically require work visas or permits, which are subject to specific eligibility criteria and application processes. For instance, the European Union has the Blue Card Directive, which allows highly skilled workers from non-EU countries to live and work in an EU member state, provided they meet certain qualifications and salary thresholds. In the United States, the H-1B visa program allows employers to hire foreign workers in specialty occupations, but the number of visas issued each year is capped, and the application process can be complex and competitive. Navigating these immigration requirements is essential for ensuring that employees can legally work in their host countries. In addition to labor laws, taxation, and immigration requirements, companies must also consider Social Security agreements between countries. These agreements, often referred to as totalization agreements, help prevent double Social Security taxation and ensure that employees do not lose their Social Security benefits when working abroad. For example, the United States has totalization agreements with several countries, including Canada, Germany, and the United Kingdom, which coordinate the Social Security systems of the participating countries. These agreements typically allow employees to contribute to the Social Security system of their home country while working abroad, thereby avoiding dual contributions and ensuring the continuity of their Social Security benefits. Moreover, cross-border employment regulations often encompass anti-discrimination and equal opportunity laws. Employers must ensure that their employment practices comply with local regulations regarding non-discrimination based on race, gender, age, disability, and other protected characteristics. For instance, the European Union has robust anti-discrimination laws, including the Equal Treatment Directive, which prohibits discrimination in employment and occupation. Similarly, the United States has several federal laws, such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Americans with Disabilities Act, which prohibit employment discrimination. Ensuring compliance with these laws is essential for promoting a fair and inclusive workplace. To illustrate the complexities of cross-border employment regulations, consider the case of a multinational company with operations in both the United States and Germany. In addition to understanding and complying with the distinct labor laws of each country, the company must also navigate the differences in tax regimes and Social Security contributions. For instance, Germany has a more generous Social Security system than the United States, with higher mandatory contributions from both employers and employees. Additionally, the company must ensure that its employees have the appropriate work visas and permits to legally work in each country. Moreover, the company must adhere to local anti-discrimination laws to ensure a fair and inclusive workplace. Another example involves a company sending an employee on an international assignment from India to the United Kingdom. The company must ensure that the employee has the appropriate work visa under the UK's immigration laws, such as the Tier 2 visa for skilled workers. The company must also comply with the UK's tax laws, including the pay-as-you-earn system for income tax and national insurance contributions. Furthermore, the company must consider the Social Security arrangements between India and the UK to avoid dual contributions and ensure the continuity of the employee's Social Security benefits. Cross-border employment regulations also impact employee benefits, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks. Companies must ensure that their benefit programs comply with local laws and meet the needs of their international workforce. For example, in many countries, employers are required to provide health insurance coverage for their employees. In Germany, employers and employees share the cost of statutory health insurance, while in the United States, employer-sponsored health insurance is common but not mandatory under federal law. Additionally, retirement plan regulations vary widely, with some countries having mandatory employer contributions to pension funds, while others rely on voluntary employer-sponsored plans. Companies must navigate these differences to provide competitive and compliant benefit packages for their international employees. In conclusion, cross-border employment regulations encompass a wide range of issues, including labor laws, tax obligations, Social Security contributions, immigration requirements, anti-discrimination laws, and employee benefits. Companies operating in multiple countries must navigate these complex and varied regulations to ensure compliance and avoid legal and financial repercussions. By understanding and adhering to these regulations, companies can effectively manage their international workforce and promote a fair and inclusive workplace. The examples provided illustrate the practical challenges and considerations involved in cross-border employment, highlighting the importance of a comprehensive and nuanced approach to managing international employment relationships. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.